Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have a quick paperclip tutorial for New Year's. Could be used for Valentine's also. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the kiss word, and I have this bow paperclip, and I thought it would be cute to have the picture of the kiss and be able to put this on here. So it'll say kiss, and hopefully that'll be the kiss midnight, hopefully. So I again have this gold wire. I've had several people asking me where I got these wires. I got them in Michael's at Christmas time. It was actually, I got one or two during Christmas time and a couple after. They were in the wreath section. But I believe you can also get wires similar in the beading section. The thing is this is very pliable. I mean, it is so easy to maneuver. I would check and see if they have it, and even if it's in green, I would get it because it is amazing wire. So I don't have wire cutters out. I'm going to go ahead and start by cutting off a piece. Let's see. I haven't done this before, this particular project. So 6 3/4. So we will see how we do. On this bow, I'm going to go up after seeing how that worked out, and I'm going to go ahead and just start it. Okay, so I'm going to go around just the one time. I have this bead. It is a piece of a bracelet. You see it's got the 2 holes. I'm going to go down through the left side. Okay, I think my wire is way longer than what I'm going to need. Okay, so we went down through the left side. Then we have a small bead, and it's just a plastic faceted bead, but it's really actually pretty. Then I have a bead cap, a gold bead cap, and I'm going to put it on so it's going to cap the larger, just to get a little gold in this. Okay, so because it's not a rounded bead, it's not gonna fit around it real good, but it's still cool. Okay, then we're going to go through, and we want the word kiss to show up. So we're going to go in from the left side, and now this is where it's going to get tricky. You see what we've got going on? We're going to be making like a little hanger. A little hanger. So we're going to go backwards now. We're going to put the large one in. We're going to put in the gold bead cap. Hope you can see this okay. The small bead. Okay. Now we're going to come back up. Oh, it came undone. Well, that's okay. We'll do that in a minute. We're going to come back up through the right side of the bracelet bead, and there we have the hanger. Okay, so we have a hanger, and now we're going to come onto the bow. We're going to go back to that first one that we did and secure it, going around and pulling it tight as we go around. Okay. Okay. There we go. Then we're going to come and we're going to do the same thing on this other side. So this is just using things that I had, literally. Even I had them out, actually, except for the paperclip, and that was in my paperclip stash. Now, if we'd have made that a little bit longer on the left side, what we'll do is we'll just go up. So we're going to cut this so that they're kind of even. Go around it. And then I'm going to use my jewelry pliers. And I looked at Hobby Lobby at jewelry pliers, and they were like $5.99, something like that. So, speaking of Hobby Lobby, holy macaroni and cheese. Hobby Lobby had their Christmas stuff on sale, clearance, 80% off. 80%. So, things that you would have paid $5 were $1. Things that were $2 were 40 cents. It was crazy. Dollar General had 50% off. I bought Christmas stuff because I figure that I want to start my Christmas tomorrow, and and then be able to do stuff in the summertime when the Christmas isn't yet available. So I went ahead and okay, see, this bow, I've gone ahead and I'm moving that to the back because for this to hang on, I'm going to want it to, well, here, we'll put it up here. There we go. I'm going to want it to hang off like that. Okay, so that is our little kiss. So at Dollar General, I picked up a tablecloth, like 50 by 72 inches or something like that, for $4. So 50 by 72 inches. That is 2 yards of 50-inch material for $4. It's a green plaid pattern. So just so you know that sheets, placemats, table runners, doilies, tree skirts, and tablecloths are all great sources for the covers for your junk journal